say on Farm Bill 2020. The farmers are the real strength of our nation, as more than 60% of people are involved in agriculture. Agriculture accounts for 17% of the total GDP in India. This conveys the importance of farmers and their duties towards our nation. It is very sad to state that farmers are said to be the food providers but themselves lead a hard and miserable life. Farmer Bill 2020 is an initiative made by the government to improve the condition of agricultural sectors and farmers, but it has become a great concern due to the farmers protesting against the bill. What is Farmer Bill 2020? The launching of the Farmer Bill is the medium to transform the agricultural sector. A set of 3 acts constitute to form the Farmer Bill 2020 and were passed in the monsoon session of the Parliament in 2020. The bills were first passed by the Lok Sabha on the 17th of September 2020 and further by Rajya Sabha on the 20th of September 2020. The President finally gave his assent to the Farmer Bill on the 27th of September 2020. The 3 bills that form the Farmer Bill can be stated as the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020, the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act 2020, Essential Commodities Amendment Act 2020. Is Farm Bill 2020 good or bad? The introduction of the Farmer Bill 2020 is referred to as a watershed moment in Indian history by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The bills present a layout that is for the benefit of the agricultural sector. Despite relating it for the welfare of farmers, it has received a negative response in form of a nationwide protest by the farmers in India, especially Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, etc. Conclusion. The condition of the farmers in India is not very good. They have been subject to injustice for many years, even after the introduction of schemes and plans in the agricultural sector. The present government has introduced the Farm Bill 2020 to push out the Indian farmers out of this agony. The massive protests against the bill and shout of the farmers and state government to withdraw the bills are of great concern and is the current issue in the entire nation. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.